giving these 30 Under 30 awards to 30 young people in our community who have gone above and beyond service to the community. They're so young and they've done so much. They're entrepreneurs, they're motivational speakers. We have a police officer who's overcome so much to come to where he is and then share his experiences with so many others. This is just one event of so many where we get to recognize the very people that we need to recognize. These are the unsung heroes, and I'm so proud to recognize them here on behalf of the 47th Assembly District.
My name is Juan Zavala. I am a fourth-year computer engineering student from Cal State San Bernardino, coming from High Desert. At the start of the pandemic, I was actually called to make face masks for the public, for medical personnel, hospitals, et cetera, et cetera. I was called in. I have 30 printers, and then every day I was just ranking up to 100 masks a day, and I was able to donate somewhere in the range of 2,000 masks in the first month.
I am Annabella Hernandez.
I'm Raven Casas.
I'm Presley Calderon.
Today we are here to receive our 30 Under 30 awards for bringing awareness to the topic of MMIWG. MMIWG stands for Missing Murdered Indigenous Women and Girls. It is a topic that is not talked about a lot. We want to end racial segregation between Indigenous people and others. We also want our brothers and sisters to stop being murdered and going missing. If you want to help bring awareness to the topic of MMIWG, you could donate to Sovereign Bodies, and we will have a website up very soon.
We wanted to be sure that we were safe during COVID, but we wanted to make sure we also recognize those people who are so deserving of these awards.